play till tomorrow. Well, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. My name is Nanedu _ of me, Katim, and Easy Beat. And don't sit down to make sure your evening goes sweet well. How your day today? Hope say while not today for your office place. Some of them go down the close. Some people go down the close office by now.
No,
by tomorrow.
20, no.
By tomorrow, now tomorrow today now 17, tomorrow now 18. Some company go close 18. Okay, some go on Monday.
On Monday, yeah.
On Monday.
They cannot close tomorrow.
On Monday.
Why? What's the problem that we close tomorrow?
We want to celebrate.
No, it's not. Which bosses go agree? You say, we know. We are speaking from experience.
The problem when we say day now, they say some companies where they do end of year. Well, make a leave. What talk? Anyway, we'll get guests for inside the studio today. In fact, the guest for the show, now the king of comedy himself. In fact, number one. If you talk about comedy, now he be number one. Now he be the shrine. Now he be the god for inside Nigeria when it comes to comedy. None other.
So suppose him no be start this comedy. Now he be say all this.
Nobody.
No, in other words, now he be Moses in the Bible.
Now he be Moses now.
Yeah, now
he be Moses. So when it comes to comedy, Alibaba now he be Moses.
Who can be Aaron?
Aaron, no, I ain't go choose who be Aaron because they are Aaron sis.
Oh, no. Okay, one Moses and plenty.
We're playing Moses is. So this one is, but there's only one Moses, which is Alibaba.
So we go ask him.
Who in? You want to put for trouble with that?
No.
You want to put for trouble because some of them they watch Go TV now. Some of them get Go TV for us. Some will say, wait, you go call somebody. You go say na me. Maybe the guy, babe, go there. Say, baby, don't worry. Baby,
you don't stand up.
Baby, it's you. Baby, I know you.
I know.
Baby, I hear you crack jokes.
You have come a long way.
Like, hold on, baby. Is it not you? Those materials you were dropping like fire. Baby, he will call you.
God, leave it. I'm the one telling you.
Wait. When anyone will come to say, well, the Aaron of comedy
You don't stand up for house.
For house. You go on jump up. The Aaron of comedy is... Baby, nobody's beef. They have caucus. They have inner caucus. Illuminati is their inner caucus. We know them. Anyway, join us as we welcome the king of comedy himself, Alibaba. Also, wait. This is why I talk now of if they're not choose person, they go talk inner caucus and lie, be a lie. You say? This choosing who be also, but you know, say na so they always talk.
Yeah.
Say na inner caucus. If you not,
even before you enter inner caucus, it's beef. I don't tell you now. This industry, they go do like say they like you, but I don't tell you they don't like you. They don't like you. It's because they go say. Say even tell me you come one event one time, come. Yeah. That is why he no call your name. They would argue over. I'm telling you. Or by the way, maybe my brother leave him. Say maybe he believe in you, but he no just won't call you.
No, the thing when he be say that everybody they talk now in a caucus. They go say no, leave him. If not be governor. If not be laugh up,
if not be prince,
if not be, they will just name all of them.
You see,
now the people. Now because then they go in house.
So you don't even they hear them for radio.
You know they hear them for Nigeria Info.
You say you two even go far. Listen to them for radio.
No, listen to them. Now so now in that caucus, I say I lie, I be a lie.
Cathy, how now?
This is my in-law, my one and only in-law. That Yahoo.com. You can bomb you. That Yahoo.com. You can bomb me. I can tell you, Yoko. You know what this generation can get young about. You know it, I'm a neck. That's it, young. Don't get on. No, honestly. I do that side can get down on the young about. After wake up, oh, it's my brother. I do original brother make it. I do original Moses about Bible. I say, and yes, I'm asking about Korea. I said, son, Moses. Anyandro, somebody young on you from far, the young of a family, the young of a toy and a more, the young of everything at the packet.
Take you lick soup.
He say, take the whole thing lick soup.
So,
That a tempe we talk now. How do you do now? That's it. That audio do now.
I the studio, born in name and talk on a yomi. Italian Kabi do 2016 kind of things. So, yes, and I'm not in the core, and yes, all the insides. Don't worry, inner caucus, beef. It's beef that is worrying everybody. It's beef. is beef and inner caucus. You know, we the inner caucus. The inner of the inner. You know, see, though the people say make a decision. Chief makers and king makers.
Yeah, she's talking about the Oni of Ife now.
Okay,
guys,
Oni of Ife.
so,
Okay, the
now
new
welcome on top of night show. It's me and the
You talk Nyesom Wike. Oni of Ife.
I come on, Nyesom Wike. Who is that?
Nyesom Wike.
Former...
that artist way featured the band. Anyway, our phone numbers will be on top of TV. And for those of you who want to call today for talk to the king of comedy himself in Nigeria, Alibaba, make una begin call. Not be Alibaba, we get our own fake Alibaba. We get big belly, we black. No, not be that one.
But I tell you, when I first come, before program starts, this guy they talk something. Alibaba, I say yes, boss. He said no, not you.
Yeah, born is the word to call. No, now.
Alibaba, that one black. He black like burnt offering.
Oh, like Nigerian?
Na Nigeria, no. Oh, you think it's na Congo or Sudan?
No, maybe Senegal. No, I mean, don't Senegal.
You don't say Kora plenty for this place. I see the big madam. The waka pass me, not greet. I greet her, no answer. So I can't look, I can't see her husband. I can't say, I just greeted her now. She didn't answer. So she doesn't answer me too.
My brother, so what do you want to? What do you want to?
Remember, he doesn't answer me too. You and I same problem. I greet her, she don't answer. You greet her, she don't answer. What's the problem?
What do we do?
Voulez-vous ça?
Voulez-vous ce point?
It's okay.
Okay. Also, the biggest event of next year, of every year. In fact, the biggest event of every year.
When this thing
January 1 concert. It started this year.
Okay, started this year.
It started this year.
Oh,
January 1st concert, as in, also I'm not going to lie, give you. I don't tell you now.
Yeah,
so
that time
you
you
join
look
me
for
one
cloth.
kind.
Even you look for cloth to wear to go that event.
No,
I remember.
suit.
Even that time, you look for cloth. You don't say.
The thing is, if you want climb stage, you must wear dinner suit.
I get dinner suit now. Dinner suit is...
No, which one? The red one or the yellow one where you get?
Black and white. Dinner suit.
I get black and white now, also. I get some.
No, but this one where they wear.
No, this one are black. I get black. You know, so I get black and white.
Yes, you get black
I get black and white. I get which color? No, only green and not get.
You get black and white.
No, the one I know say you get blue, you get red. You can't get.
I get not be red.
You get bow tie.
I get bow tie. Bow tie is.
Yeah, which color?
More than one.
More than one bow tie. I said,
Well,
not
only
try
one you
me.
go.
I said, not try me. Don't try me. Don't try. I know myself. Bow tie. All the things we get tie, I get them. My bow, my tie, my shoelace, all of them. As long as I say they tie neck, even in a scarf, also I get them. That people then a motor one now.
So we'll be there live and direct every ahead, but I don't know. I forgot what make him start this thing in October 1. No.
January 1. Also, what did make you start up?
Because you know, see, a ferry. A blessed memory. When we were at Ferry Day, you know, January 1st, every time New Year, people go call house. Not forget, say, January 1st, when people don't go crossover service.
Yes.
So people will come house around 3, some will come around 4, some will come around 5.
Yes.
Then some people go sleep. There's some church where they do long truth. Go constantly want make people come again.
Money.
You know, collect the osusu for offering. Then they'll come and say, you get to do your first seed. So people go come church that day again, drop first fruit. Then when they go home, now sleep. They'll come sleep, go reach like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Then when you wake, people will come begin to visit you, or you go they plan to go visit people.
Yes.
By the time you know what thing they happen, that whole day don't finish.
Don't finish.
Nothing when you do, no celebration. People will just come house, chop rice.
So if anything...
And now, the other thing, so people when they travel for Christmas, when you carry money go for Christmas, you spend from 23rd to 26th. When 27th reach, you go begin run. Because if they catch you for village for New Year, your Happy New Year greeting go plenty. But I don't get one friend where he travel. We send money go meet her now. He traveled in 2008. Traveled. And that 2008, don't forget that be that time when market crash.
Yes, stock market, where people lose plenty money.
He say, who send out? He go greeting people now.
After stock market crash,
You
get the mind.
He travel with about 800K. When he reached there, for a mind, say
10 days.
No, for a mind, say by the time they come back for New Year, he still hold like 200. So when he reached there, roof, breeze blow roof, toilet sink, bathroom that the bath don't fall, they buy block, mold new bathroom, mold this one, do everything.
Where we come from abroad.
So when everything done, they okay, finish. When he check in pocket, 250. Christmas never reach. Like Papa tell us, say, you know, say this Christmas, as him be diokpa. He go invite people, they will come, so they're gonna go back. Thank God, say then they do gogoro and shinap thing. So by the time they do that one, put cola, he can get like 180. He can begin to look, say, man, you know, if we stay reach New Year. Because if New Year, cash out for that village, he go borrow.
Now night boss, he go follow come back.
So when they just reach like 29th, he say, one run, come back. Come call us, we can send money, go meet us.
So 29, money not finish?
Everything. Say you not get reach 20K for hand. So you can tell your wife, say, yeah, we could not go. Those ones come first, come back. By the time when the money reach in hand, when he give him mama, give him sister, give him uncle, everybody back.
This money won't send?
Yeah. He sent him 300K. By the time they say when they land for airport like this, he say for he not go ever smell past Boxing Day. Say Boxing Day 26 like this, in the run come back. But when you run come back, what you go do? Because for village, if you cross over, you get to make all of the crossover with you.
New crossing up. The money where you give them yesterday money now.
So we can't think, say, okay, but we've organized something. So we can't do something for my house. So my house, we go do party, people go come, Upper Williams, Richard, all those people. They'll come, we go drink, we shark, we boss bottle, as they call it, boss bottle.
Boss bottle.
They will go say, wait, this thing safe. Because I want people here. Say
they'll come show.
They'll come show.
Don't show now. I want them to show. They show alone.
Wait, they will carry people. Because I said they say, oh, but where they go? I go Alibaba house. Hey, where have they come? Small time say drop it, they come. He says, they come. They say, I can't call and say, I say, who they give them this info? Then we check. If they said at the Alibaba house, group food here. I said, bring the phone. That look at. Don't say reach 10 people. Those 10 people, don't forward.
Send you get home.
I say, okay.
Before you know, you can't be like community, don't gather for your, they get community meeting for inside your house.
Oh boy, and you know how my wife be in her kitchen, just the balls that they cook.
But you don't chop my very food.
Are you telling me who are you?
You don't chop
who are you?
You don't fit tell her.
Who are you? Excuse me?
But
that thing I speak in my language, what do you think I was talking about?
The only thing is, I said, one time, I go one party, so we consider they argue.
I don't tell you.
Wait. Ali, true. You don't eat dog. I say, lie, never eat dog. What would they go for house? What would they go house? Once I come, my wife say, if they ask you that question for another place, not swear. I say, what's that supposed to mean? He said,
it's just advice.
No, I'm just telling you.
So
just
in case
advice.
they talk, say, carry something, swear. Don't swear. I said, what do you mean by that? He said, just
take and like
I
that.
can't they think the thing. I can't tell her MD. I say, my wife talk, say, then talk. He don't jump dog! Anyway, so we can plan, say, okay, say, January 1st, we go to do it. But the thing is, say, we can also say, you know, say, all the awards that they do for Nigeria, na settlement or this one. I say, okay, so the best thing be say, make we do award, maybe say, no negotiation. Person when the first win gold medal for Nigeria, they're not the prize am. The first female chief justice for Nigeria, they're not the prize am. The first person to start private radio station, they're not the prize am. All those kind of things. First person to even start get Nobel Prize, Wole Soyinka, they're not the prize. So all those guys say, we could do that kind of award.
Also, you get person who want to talk to you from Abuja. Stanley, good evening from Abuja.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Now we thank God. Happy New Year in advance.
My brother sent to you. How is the ministry?
Well, we are already in the permanent site.
Hallelujah, somebody. The king of comedy is here.
Now, Abuja in the call from.
Abuja.
Your hand touch that Dasuki money. Okay, no. Stanley.
My brother.
Your hand touch the Dasuki money.
No, lie. Does it today on you?
No, not lie. Nah. If my hand touch, if my hand touch that money, hey! Even some pastors when their hand touch that money.
Oh, you don't see that 1.2 billion for special prayer?
Which kind of prayer be that? Hey! I don't see that one. Stanley, you hear of 1 point waiting for prayer?
No, me, I know here.
1.4 billion for prayer. Now 2 different money for prayer.
Stanley,
Sir?
Now you dey come from Abuja. Wetin dey happen that side?
Nah, the body on a system there, Wazobia.
Una all Hamatan hard reach this side, all.
I tell you,
that
here,
place was
this one pass now.
We not get Hamatan here now. Hamatan for here they learn. I grew up for Kaduna. My mama part the Kaduna. Hamatan they learn work for here. Now Abuja and Kaduna.
I don't say when Hamatan dey like this, rain must not fall. If small rain fall, finish. It go worse. How traffic for that? How fuel scarcity dey that side?
I tell you, if you see queue today for Kuje, queue. For Kuje.
You get fuel, I mean that.
No, it depends on the area. That
Depend on the area.
Stanley.
Stanley, but you get fuel.
Before you go get fuel for Abuja, you go stay like 5 hours.
See, go that filling station where they area 10 near Arts Council.
Yeah?
Tell them say na me send you.
Okay, now you go give me pass now.
I say tell them say na me send you.
Tell them.
Give you
Say Alibaba send you.
Say I send you, say make you come.
Tell Alibaba make you give me pass, make I go there.
Also, you know, say no belly and they hear this thing. Other people they hear and they go, yo, some way they near there now.
Yeah, no, everybody know that Stanley.
Some way they use China phone, where they traffic. Where you? Alibaba, see him. He next to me, say make I come.
But I see 89 naira, abi.
No, not the 89 naira, 87 naira per liter.
Okay, that they sell now.
But line the queue, my brother. This Christmas, I don't know how you go be. Oh.
They say DPR go one man place for Abia State. Then I say, why are you selling for over 120? I say, you see fuel. You know how much I buy this one. Carry your DPR go and say,
You know how much I buy this? You know where I buy this?
You might know where I buy this one.
Stanley, OP from Lekki, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you, my brother?
I tell you, I say this guy they boss everybody brain.
Talk to Alibaba.
No, the truth, boss.
Eh?
Now Dambe, younger brother, they talk. I seen Ahmed, husband.
Oh, Anna.
I do. Sure, you still remember for that place where now in the always pump your big tires for those motos.
Oh, see. This one when new governor don't enter, they find tax. So make everybody don't talk say I get big motor. Because this man feel give me different tax.
Yeah, now. I just tell them, say the price that you say make we buy fuel now. They no green sell for me now. Vest they call you.
No, you go use better voice.
How make we arrange this thing? Because somebody been to talk about transparency and governance today. Ethnicity and waiting supposed to happen because of this. Bros, that's so we go the day.
No, not be so we go the day. Not be so we go the day. Make them just share that money reach everybody.
Yeah.
That's all.
No, but you get people who collect this D money.
Eh?
Most do like waiting happen for her. Make them just share.
Make them just share and make all of us just. If everybody just hold 1 billion.
You understand? We all rest.
Yeah, if man just sharp. Yes,
Obi.
Yes, boss.
If everybody hold 1 billion now, why not go there again now?
As I talk to you, sir, I'm not going to even greet anybody for street.
And nothing like say pastor come say offering no. Say pastor you don't get your
Tithes not there for this one.
No.
Tithes not
this is
much.
Now because things tight, now they give us this one. So no tight.
All same now, bro.
Well done, my
Okay,
brother.
thank you very much. Good night.
Well done.
You're welcome.
Also, you know, say this Dasuki money. Plenty. All those guys waiting for Salisefa for some of them collect money.
They're not going to say that the money
they're not going to say that. And some artists will perform for.
Eh?
They do. I don't blame
They
you.
go ask everybody to bring money back.
Also, no, the people who go bring money back now. Now Idris Abdulkarim, I don't think get money back because you don't care.
See, I tell you.
Person go pay money. We go collect pay money back for all those events when they do that time. Come here, I don't want to go come any part.
No, Cleese is drunk.
Cleese
Cleese drunk was drunk. But Cleese go say, I was drunk.
I didn't know.
I have no
Uche from Rivers State.
recollection whatsoever.
Uche from Rivers. Ngwa call us back.
I hear you talk.
Not be quarrel now.
Not be fight. How far, Uche?
No.
Hey, you know?
Who the governor now?
Who be na governor now?
Now, when we be organized by the time, it's the one year a week.
Nice to be governor.
Yes, yes.
Okay, one borough and one Rotary governor before. Rotary governor of Rotary.
Rotary Club.
If it's the clock, I'm not hearing inside. It's the clock.
Avi, you don't hear us well.
Okay. I hear you.
You don't hear now?
I hear you.
Go outside, go upstairs, go climb rope, climb pole.
Yours they waka up and down.
Waka go front, come back. Bend down, bend down.
Pause.
Pause. That's all. Oh yeah, bend down, pause.
Like that song there.
You never hear the song?
No play. Hey! No play, amo.
Play the song, play the song. What's a minute play the song?
NBC, mind yourself.
Whiskey
Oh, yeah,
and run
bend
down.
down,
Oh yeah, baby, now bend down.
bend
Also,
down,
if you see the
pause.
video of that song, we
like-
they go break, we they come back. Also, if you see the
sing
video,
am for-
we don't feel sing the prayer, we praise and worship, we can't.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.